Hello and welcome to Robotics and Games Club. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do building, how to pass practice number 3 of building level 1. So if you haven't done the previous levels, do the previous videos and get it up to building level 1. So I click on building and here's practice 3. So in practice 3 I need to remove the components. So click on the move menu button just above the robot build window. From the menu, choose remove. The orange handle dots will become red. Click on the red handle dot of the component you wish to remove and then change the menu back to move. That's just to make sure that you don't accidentally click on something and have it delete the part. Okay, so it may not make any sense right now, but I'll walk through it and it'll make a lot more sense. So click on practice, our timer starts. This is our robot that we need to build. So I'm going to go back to click on build, and here I've got some extra parts, right? 4 is not in the robot, and this weight is not in the robot either. So I can move these parts to where they need to be. Put that one there, put this one here, and then this one was connected to here, and this one was connected to there. Okay, and now I'm going to click on remove and get rid of these 2 parts. Okay, I can switch it back to move, which is a good thing to do once you've finished, so that you don't accidentally click on something when you're building your robot, and then click on update. Okay, so here it says right wheel, my placement is good, my angle is good, this is good, that's good, weight 2 and push button 4 are both removed, and my port connections are for the motor port, digital, and analog port are all good. I had 183 seconds and I only used 53, so everything is good and it's passed.